Damn, I'm like looking busted. So today we're gonna be making some like good old American shitty bar food. Even shitty bar food is good bar food, but ours isn't gonna be shitty. For these buffalo chicken quesadillas, you're gonna need chicken, probably about a ½ pound. I like to use those tender strips. You're gonna need your preferred hot sauce. A lot of people pick Frank's Red Hot, that's cool. And if you want like a milder buffalo sauce, all you'll need to do is mix in some butter. You're gonna need some cream cheese, you're gonna need some green onions, you're gonna need some ranch, some salt and pepper obviously, and some shredded cheddar. You're gonna go ahead and cook the chicken in a pan. We're gonna try to get a nice golden brown crust, but once you put it in, you're just gonna salt and pepper the top. Don't worry about undersalting here. Like, it's okay if you undersalt a little bit here because your buffalo sauce is gonna be really acidic and have a lot of salt in it already. So if you already super salt and season your chicken and put on the buffalo sauce, sometimes it's a little too much. So what I did is I just put salt and pepper on one side and then pepper once I flipped them over. Once that's all finished up, you're gonna take it out and you're just gonna chop it however you please. You don't have to be fancy with the way you chop up your chicken. You can be like barbaric about it. That's what I kind of did. I just kind of went right into it with my knife, not caring if the pieces were inconsistent in size, it doesn't matter. And then after you have those chopped up bits of chicken, you're just gonna put it in a bowl and throw in your hot sauce. I wanted to switch it up and add just a little bit of Cholula, because that is like one of my favorite hot sauces of all time. And I know it's not like super traditional to do to a buffalo sauce, but I just love Cholula. I just think it makes everything better. It's so good. And then once you have that, it's time to assemble. So you're gonna get a tortilla, and then you're going to evenly spread some cream cheese around the entire face of the tortilla. You don't wanna make this layer of cream cheese too thick, because you gotta remember it's gonna fold over on itself and, you know, double cream cheese, you get it. And then on one side, you're just gonna do a little bit of your shredded cheddar, add in some of your chunks of buffalo chicken, and then I like to do a little extra cheddar on top of that to make sure it all seals, and then you're just gonna fold it over. You're gonna put the pan on medium-low because you really want the cheese and everything to get all melty with the chicken, and you really want your tortilla to get nice and toasted. You're gonna need a spatula to assist you with flipping it over, like so. You might need to like put your other hand on it to make sure, you know, nothing falls out or doesn't fall apart for whatever reason. Then you're just gonna keep an eye on that side until it's golden brown, and you just gotta take it off and put it on a cutting board to cut it up, or you can cut it on your counter or cut it on your floor, but that's gross. This is where I fucked up. I tried to do a nice ranch drizzle for the footage and for the camera, but I failed to realize that the ranch container I was using had like the open part and not like the little tiny nozzle for a little bit, so kind of dumped too much ranch on top. Honestly, that was just really stupid of me anyway, because quesadillas are supposed to be like finger foods, so like if there's ranch all over it, that just makes it messy and annoying. So maybe just like don't drizzle ranch on top like I did. Just put it in like a container on the side and dip it. It's way better that way. Why did I do that? And whether or not you decide to drizzle ranch on your quesadillas or not, just make sure you top them with some green onion for some color. It's always nice to add a little color to your dishes because it just makes you feel a little more proud of them because they're prettier that way. Ooh, I'm so excited for this though. Damn, these are so fire. That cream cheese is so necessary because it makes it like almost like a creamy blue cheese, but not the blue cheese flavor. I know not a lot of people are big into the blue cheese game, and I don't blame you. 90% of the time, blue cheese is weird. There's only been a select few times where there were blue cheeses that I actually enjoyed, but most of the time or Gorgonzola, ugh, it's so bad. You're welcome to add blue cheese to this. If that's your game, go ahead. Or if you want blue cheese instead of ranch, go for it. I think, honestly, ranch and blue cheese live together in equal harmony as equal condiments to buffalo chicken, anything. Perfect amount of heat from the chicken. Ooh, I really recommend y'all do this. It's a really good idea. However, Publix, I'm a little disappointed with your ranch. Damn, I gotta finish those up. I'm gonna crack open a White Claw, and we're gonna do our best to have a great rest of our day. I'm still really bad at outros and don't know what to say, so I'm just gonna, all right, bye.